Also get in Rohit Srivastava to understand what could have led to this sharp downtick in the markets. Rohit, we were trading comfortably around the 24,500 level. Was it a technical sell-off that has led to this sharp fall in the market, or is it just market as usual?
Yeah, I think it's just part of, market behavior. We opened up, we sold off a bit, lot of intraday movement, but we have seen a significant strength in, say, the banking stocks, Bank Nifty doing particularly well, and that continues to hold out as of this moment. So I think it can still add up to further gains because just yesterday, we broke out beyond the 24,300, 24,330 resistance zone. And that zone then ends up becoming a support. And many times what happens is when you do this kind of a breakout, a lot of people end up buying the breakout. And that also can result in, selling on the following day when there is no follow-up. So I think it may be related to that. And what we have to do is then just simply watch that support level. And if the support is overall holding out, the trend higher should continue to remain intact in the short term.
The support is around 24,200 level, which is we are still 200 points away from on the higher side from
24,300.
24,300 is the support level.
Yeah, 24,300.
Do you think we could break that given the sharp fall that we have seen? We are just 80 points away from that support level now.
No, I wouldn't think so. I mean, you've just gotten past it yesterday. So all you can do is you can retest it as a support. We usually don't expect it to break right away.
And if it gets broken, then how much of a downside can we see?
So that is always the catch question, right? What if this breaks, then what happens? I try not to approach the market that way because then we might not end up giving a constructive outlook to what we are really anticipating. The real break, if you have to say, oh, what if it breaks and goes down, is far lower. It's the bottom that we made closer to 23,873. That is the low from where we've been recovering over the last 3 to 4 days. So that is the really more important level where a overall view changes. So if you break 24,300, will we turn bearish on the market? The answer is probably not. So it's just a support level that ideally you expect and hope that it holds. Breaking it by 100 points makes no difference to the outlook.
Right. And when it comes to the Nifty Bank Index, what's your view on that? It has been cruising higher so far.
Yeah, so Bank Nifty is particularly interesting because it's going past the 61% retracement of the entire fall that we saw from the October top. So that level is at around 52,690. And staying above that or closing above that then opens up not just around 53,500, but also the possibility that you can retest the all-time high, which was at 54,467. So all of that has opened up, and it means that banking will continue to contribute a lot of the gains in the next couple of days.
Right. Thank you, Rohit, for joining us and giving us your perspective about the markets.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.